It takes time to create something remarkable. Triumph is the result of unceasing endeavor. Only with the passing of time, a king becomes a conqueror, and a spirited stallion, a trusty steed. Born in butts steeped in history and aged to perfection. It is with this patience that a craftsman becomes a master, signing his name to a blend that unites knowledge and heritage. All to create a brandy that conquers the passage of time. The legacy of 130 years of history. Carlos I, the spirit of conquest.